Hi everybody, Keith again here from Adelaide. Just a little bit of an update. Now I did say in my last one the next time you would see me I'd be out on the road, but I haven't been, obviously, because I'm still here. Just wanted to get a couple of things organised. One was waiting for good weather. In Adelaide it's been about 35 degrees for the last couple of days. That's about 95 Fahrenheit, and even that was getting a little bit too warm for me. And of course today, on Friday, it's been raining most of the day. Welcome to weather in Adelaide. But anyway, the idea of this little update was that I'm all set to go. I've got my trip planned for next week. It's early next week. Hopefully, according to the forecast, the weather's going to be nice. It's not going to be too hot. So I'll get going just down south, taking a few little odds and sods pictures. My main reason of waiting was I wanted to record the travels on my bike, so I wanted a bike camera. Now in the past I've had, from some of the shops here, I've bought a $95, $100 action cam. I've tried to figure out where can I put it, and I found a bracket, put it onto the handlebars, and if you know anything about Harley-Davidsons, they vibrate a lot, and you could see it in the video. It was unwatchable. It might have shown where I was going, but as for entertainment value, it was just woeful. So in the couple of Facebook posts that I made, one was in the two Adelaide chapters here in Adelaide, the Adelaide whole group and the Bayside chapter, as well as everything Harley-Davidson in Australia Facebook group. I put a little post in there saying that I want to take some videos as I'm riding along. What do you suggest? I was hoping to get some really good answers, and I did, and I thank everybody for answering that. I got almost 100 replies of various things and pieces, from why bother with the camera, just enjoy the ride. But some people gave some really good answers as well. A lot of them came down to the GoPro series of cameras. Some had talked about the Cena cameras or some other motorcycle cameras. I knew that I was going to have to spend the money to get the quality, and I was prepared for that. But the money that I spent, I didn't want a specific motorcycle camera. I don't use my bike all the time, and so I like a camera that I was going to be able to use on the bike, but also when I'm walking around, going for hikes in the country, using it in the car, around the home, that kind of thing. People said that somebody had a Hero 5, and that was good. A number of people said they had a Hero 7, and with the stabilization, it was an excellent camera, really good value. One of the replies gave me a discount code. He said he was told that he could share this, and it was for 25% off discount for the brand new GoPro Hero 8 that had just come out. And so I spent some money, got a little Hero 8 as well as a clear plastic protection cover for it. I didn't want all the bugs and everything else getting onto the front of the lens of this camera. I know what the front of my helmet looks like after I've been riding in the country. I'm there for a few minutes of cleaning it all off, getting rid of all the bugs, and I didn't want that all over the front, so I figured, hey, if it gets on that, I can clean it off a lot much easier, and I'll feel a little bit more safer with it all. So first of all, thank you so much to everybody who made a comment about what you would suggest, what you wouldn't use, what you found good, and so on. I really appreciated that. As I said, I splurged out and got this brand new Hero 8, courtesy of the Australian government. For some reason, they were giving $1,000 back to, or $1,000 off tax paid to everybody in the last financial year for some political reason. I'm not really sure, but I don't really care. It means I didn't have to pay as much tax, which meant I had a little bit of money left over, so I was able to afford this little beauty. I've tried it out already. I had a bracket, and I've got that up on the bike, as you can see, and put that on there. Just went for a ride down the street and back again, and GoPro calls it hyper smooth technology, and the image was great, really, really good. I am so impressed. So it's going to be on the handlebar. A number of people told me, look, put it on the side of the helmet or on the top. Then others said, oh, you could get into trouble with the cops if they pull you over. Hey, it's not allowable to put it on. Others said, yes, it is, just argue the point. I thought, oh. But then my full face helmet's a Sherry with a flip face, and if I put it on the side of my helmet, as I lift my helmet up, the camera would obviously go up there as well. And if it's a hot day and I'm just riding slowly through a small town or the city, I'll usually have the front of my helmet up just to get a breeze on the face, and I didn't want to keep adjusting it all the time. So on the helmet, while it was a good idea if you've got a solid helmet, a flip face one, it just wasn't going to suit. So I said, on the handlebars, no vibration at all, really, really good. I'm so impressed with that. Hopefully you will be too when I've been out on my ride next week, and I'll be able to post the video of what this looks like. So thanks so much. So that was it. It's quick and easy. I'm all set to go. I've got my camera now, which is great. I've got the camera on the tripod, which you're looking through at the moment. Got everything ready to go. Just have to wait for the good day next week. Bike's all pumped up, ready to go. I'm getting excited about my little journey that I'm starting. So I've only got a couple of months to do it in, so it's good. I'm going to enjoy myself. Hope you're going to enjoy the journey with me. And any questions, please leave a comment below. If you like it, please like. If you subscribe to it, then you'll get notified if and when I put up any more updates to this little ABC of touring journey I've been doing. All right, I'll catch you later. Safe riding, everybody. Thanks for listening. Bye.